Okay, let's take an example, quick example. Read this. So, say you're in a tree planting campaign. There are 600 trees, 20 trees, 30 batches of 20 trees. So one batch is 20 trees, and you plant 5 trees per day, 5 batches per day. So that means 100 trees, 20 batches into 5 batches, 100 trees per day. And your cost is actually $2.9 per tree. That is a cost of a tree is $2.5, and then there is a fertilizer cost of 0.4, so it's 2.9. Okay, so after first day, your team was able to only plant 70 trees. After first day, you actually plan to plant 100 trees, because as per the capacity, they should plant theoretically 5 batches of 20 trees. They should have planted 100 trees, but they actually plant only 70 trees, and they incurred a cost because there were some stones, and you had to bring a backhoe, and you had to. It actually costed $350 for the actual day. $350 came in 70 trees into 2.9 plus 147 for the backhoe. Okay, so so this is the scenario. So after day one, your planned value, you planned as a project manager 100 trees. These fellows will plant 100 trees. So your planned value is 100 trees into $2.9. That is $290. So your budget cost would have been $290 after day one. But the actual cost is, actually they planted 70 trees. So 70 trees into 2.9 plus there was an equipment cost of, because there was a store, there was equipment cost of $147. So 350. That's the actual cost. And your earned value is, you can see actually they actually had done only 70 trees. So 70 trees, planting 70 trees would have cost you definitely 2.9. So with $2.9 per tree, $203 and earned value. So the actual cost is 350. Your earned value is 203, and your budget is 290. So actually your variance is not 350 minus 290. Actually your variance is much more. You have spent $350, and also you have planted only 70 trees. The earned value is, for you, is actually the effort of work that you have done. The earned value is actually $203. So your variance, your cost variance is this much, 350 minus 203. The difference between the budget cost and the earned value, the planned value and the earned value, give you the schedule variance. How much of inefficient you are, because you budgeted 100 trees at 2.9, but the earned value is 70 trees at 2.9. So 2.9 is constant. So basically, this is the difference between the budgeted cost and the earned value will always give you the schedule variance. That means the value, the monetary value of your delay, right? So it's the same, I mean, monetary value of the delay. So this is constant and this is constant. So difference is 100 trees and 70 trees, 30 trees. 30 trees into the value, that is the monetary value of your project delay. So always the budgeted value, the planned value and the earned value difference will give you the schedule variance, not in time, but in rupee terms. And your actual cost versus earned value will give you the actual cost variance. So the cost variance is earned value minus actual cost, and your schedule variance is actually earned value minus the budgeted cost. And this is the schedule variance basically, right? So 73, I mean, this is in dollars, but then if you take, in other words, you have planted only 70 trees, And for 70 trees, how much would have been the cost? So that is the schedule variance. Right. So again, the schedule variance is the monetary value of your delay in your project, or maybe schedule variance goes to a favorable variance also. We have an example. I have another example with that effect. So schedule variance will be earned value minus the planned value, and the cost variance will be the earned value minus the actual cost.